Now, this is sum of infinity and geometric mean. Sum of infinity, the formula is very simple. This is the formula. And for sum of infinity, to get sum of infinity of a value, your r must be less than 1. If your r is greater than 1, it means you can't find the sum of infinity of that particular geometric progression. Now, let's look at some question. Infinity, once you say infinity means it's continue going. Progression that does not have ending. What I've been doing since is progression that has ending. Some of the first 10 terms, some of the first 20 terms. But in this case now, it doesn't have ending. So they just asked you to find the sum of infinity. So this is the formula. Let's look at this question here. Let's find the sum of the series 45, 30 to infinity. The first thing is that let's get our A. Our A here, the first number here is 45. That's our A. Then our common ratio, I told you that common ratio divide the second time by the first time, second number by the first number. So that will be 30 over what? Over 45. So 5 here is 6, 5 here is 9, 3 here is 2, 3 here is 3. So your common ratio here is what? 2 over 3. So with this, our problem is solved. Using the formula, sum of infinity equals to, what's my A? My A is what? Is 45 over 1 minus what? My R is what? 2 over 3. So you can do 1 minus 2 over 3 here. This is over 1. The SM is what? 3. 3 goes in 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 3 goes in 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is what? Is 2. And 3 minus 2 is what? Is 1 over 3. So you have sum of infinity here is what? 45 over what? 1 over 3. So it's same as saying S sum of infinity equals to what? 45 divided by 1 over 3, which is 45 times 3 over 1. And 45 times 3 over 1, so 45 times 3 is what? 45 times 3, that is 135. So sum of infinity here is what? 135. So this is your final answer for that one. Now the next one now is just a very simple question, so I don't have to dwell much on it. Now the next one we have, it says you find what? Geometric mean. Now what geometric mean is talking about is the mean means, you know, the middle number. That is what means is talking about. It's a type of average. So the middle number which you are going to get the middle on just like when you add up everything together, you divide it by number of how many are they. So the mean here is that if you have three numbers S, Y, and Z are consecutive of GP, their common ratio will be what? X. What they are saying is that if you are going to get this Y here, this value for Y here, the mean of the geometric progression, that 3 number or 5 number, any number, just multiply the first number and number next to it, number next to the middle number. If I give you something, let's assume, like for example, now you are given, let's say you find the geometric mean of, let's say 3 and what? And 27. What's the geometric mean? What you are going to do is that you find the square root. It's just going to be the geometric mean. There's nothing hard in this one. It's just like square root of multiply this and this together. 3 times what? 27. And 3 times 27, geometric mean, is what? Is 81. So square root of 81 is what? Is 9. That is geometric mean. If I give 49 and 25, like what you are giving at the bottom, geometric mean 49 and 25 is just what? 49 times what? Times 25. Now I'm just limiting this to ss2, because if you are moving to like complex for mathematics or for further maths, that I don't want art students or commercial students that may, or science students that find mathematics difficult to get confused. That's why I'm limiting this particular geometric mean to this. There's a lot of things under this geometric mean. So when you multiply this together, you have 1225. So square root of 1225, when you use your calculator, square root of 1225, that is 35. So this one, the geometric mean is what? Is 35. So this is under sum of infinity. So our next chapter will be solving Y question on what? Geometry progression. And thank you. Let's move on.